MTN eSIM Ghana. How to activate eSIM in Ghana and get 10 GB data bundle bonus for registering. Go to your phone and then dial the star code or the short code *#06# and then get to see what will come. So when you see that what displayed is like this, IMEI, then it simply means your phone do not support eSIM and then you cannot activate it on that particular SIM. But if your phone supports it, or if your phone does not display this code and then it supports it, all that you have to do is to go to Play Store and then install my MTN app. Okay, so when it comes, just install it just like how I am installing it, and then after it's finished installing, I want you to open the app, my MTN app. So if you are registering for the first time, all that you have to do is to follow the step by step which I'm going to show you. So all that you have to do is to keep on clicking on the next and then keep on clicking on the next. This is now the dashboard, and then when you register, they are going to give you 50 GB data for just registering. Okay, so I have mine here. All that you have to do is to just click on the eSIM, and then when it comes, it says get eSIM for your device. Okay, then you click on it. So it is going to open your browser, either it being Chrome, Opera Mini, or any of the browser that you are using. So I'm using the desktop Chrome. So this is how it will look like. So this is how the MTN e-portal looks like. All that you have to do is to just enter your customer phone number and then click on request OTP. Okay, so I am entering my phone number here and then I have to click on request OTP. So they have sent me the code on my phone and then I'm typing it into it so that I will verify that it is actually me doing this application. All that you have to do is to click on verify OTP, and then this is how the dashboard looks like. All that you have to do is to just answer these few questions. Okay, it states that request entry, kindly complete the form below to create your eSIM. Okay, so eSIM request, what you have to do first is to enter your customer name, the full name which is on your ID card, and then the next thing is to enter the device that you are using. Okay, it's being iPhone, whatever, just type in the device because they are going to confirm it. Okay, after putting in the device, if you have any alternative number, if you're using two numbers, just put the second one here, and then you have to upload a portrait picture of you in the form of a selfie. So you can just upload it here if you have it on your phone, and then put in your email address. You have to put in your email address because they are going to send you a QR code that you verify. Okay, then all that you have to do is to upload that ID card that you are using over here, and then just choose the SIM plan that you want to use, either it's being prepaid or a postpaid. Then you select it and then you are done. All that you have to do is to click on the submit request and then wait for some few minutes for them to reply to you through your email. So if you don't have the QR code scanner, all that you have to do is to go to Play Store and then type in QR code scanner, then pick the one that will come. This is how it is, and then install it. So this is what you are going to scan through your email, and then your eSIM will be activated right on your phone, and then you can browse. After registering, they are going to give you 10 GB data bonus just for registering. Okay, so thank you for watching this video. I want you to like it, share it for other people to also have a look at it, and then see you in my next video.